how to appear offline in Epic Games. So basically, there's only two ways where you could do this. The first one being to temporarily block the friends that you want or the friends that you want to hide from. So let's say you want to hide from your friend right here. You simply right click on them, more options, and simply click on block. So just temporarily block them and they won't see you online or anything. But let's say you want to hide from 100 friends, so that might be very troublesome to do since you will need to block them all and just unblock them after. So that's why this method is not that great. So this method would only work if you want to hide from some friends, let's say 1 to 5 people. Just simply temporarily block them for some time until you want to unblock them. But let's say you want to only play an offline game which requires no internet connection, and you simply need to go to settings right here and profile settings and make sure to enable offline mode browsing. Then just simply turn off your internet connection if that game doesn't require internet connection so that they won't see you online playing anything. And that's the only two ways to appear offline in Epic Games. But there's no button to really appear offline even though you have internet connection. But that's some ways where you can do it.